Hello from Porter's RV Sales here in Wilmston, South Carolina. Today, we're thrilled to show you a 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH, a CARFAX one-owner RV with only 24,000 miles and outfitted with nearly every available option. Priced at just $180,900, this 41-foot all-electric diesel pusher is packed with top-notch features like aquahot and a king bed, perfect for family getaways. Let's take a look around the exterior to see why this RV is travel-ready for your next trip. Let's start with that mileage. Just 24,000 miles. For an RV this age, that's impressively low, giving you a nearly new vehicle ready for years of adventures. This CARFAX one-owner RV is in excellent condition and has been very well cared for. It's built on a solid Freightliner chassis with a full air brake system for safe stops, air ride suspension for a smooth drive, and 2023 Michelin tires for a great overall ride. Those updated tires mean safe travel on highways or campground roads. This RV runs on an impressive 8.9-liter Cummins ISL diesel engine, pumping out 380 horsepower and 1,150 foot-pounds of torque through an Allison 3000 six-speed automatic transmission. An Onan 10 kW quiet diesel generator on a slide-out tray with only 100 hours of use provides off-grid power quietly, ideal for calm camping nights. The exterior looks sharp with a full-body paint job in the classy Maroon Coral graphics, catching eyes wherever you park. You've got plenty of storage with pass-through basement compartments and a slide-out tray for easy gear access. An outdoor entertainment setup includes a 32-inch TV, stereo, and speakers, perfect for tailgates or chill evenings. Power patio and door awnings, slide toppers, and window awnings keeps both the sun and rain at bay. One-touch automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls make setup a breeze, and rear and side cameras with an in-dash monitor ensure safe driving. Aquahot hydronic heating and 3 roof AC units with heat pumps keep you comfy no matter the temperature outside, while 50-amp service, a Magnum inverter charger, and battery disconnects deliver steady, reliable power whenever you need it. With only 24,000 miles, this RV feels fresh, ready for family trips with rock-solid reliability. Next, we'll move on to the interior and the luxurious feel of a Tiffin RV. Let's head inside to see why the 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH is a comfy retreat for travelers. This 41-foot diesel pusher offers a roomy interior ideal for couples or small families. The 40AH floor plan sleeps up to 4, designed for ease and comfort, turning every road trip into a cherished memory. The kitchen is a joy for any cook, boasting a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer to keep groceries fresh, a convenient dishwasher for easy cleanup, an induction stovetop for precise cooking, a microwave convection oven for quick dishes, and a stainless steel sink with a sleek faucet. An extendable countertop adds extra space for meal prep. The living area, opened by 4 large slide-outs, is perfect for relaxing, with a big pull-out sleeper sofa that adds sleeping space, a cozy recliner for lounging, a 50-inch TV for movie nights, and an electric fireplace with heat for warm vibes. A table dinette with chairs is great for meals, and a 32-inch TV above the front seats offers viewing from any spot. A Winegard motion satellite system keeps you tuned into your shows. Moving to the rear, the master bedroom is a peaceful hideaway, featuring a plush king bed for deep sleep, a 32-inch TV for unwinding, a ceiling fan for airflow, and plenty of drawer storage for your belongings. This private nook is ideal for resting after a day of adventure, mixing luxury with practicality. The private bathroom is well crafted, offering a toilet, double sink vanity, and power vent fan for a refreshing spa-like feel. It's designed to make your mornings or evenings on the road feel effortless and rejuvenating. Smart features elevate this RV, like an aqua-hot 450D hydronic heating system, an all-electric option for perfect climate control year-round. A rear walk-in closet includes a stackable washer and dryer, a safe, and tons of storage for all your travel gear. With just 24,000 miles, this RV blends luxury with the dependability of a lightly used vehicle, ready for your next journey. The 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH, with its low 24,000 miles and top-tier amenities, is a rare gem. From its powerful 380 horsepower Cummins engine and Freightliner chassis to its stylish interior with a king bed, modern kitchen, and all-electric features, this RV is built for comfort and trust. Priced at $180,900, it's set to make your travels unforgettable. Reach out to Porter's RV Sales at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or check out www.portersrvsales.com for more details. Thanks for joining us.